Alright, yeah, welcome to this section. Today we are going to be looking at the second topic in our outline. So today's topic is chemical combination. Now these are everything we are expected to know under chemical combination. So firstly, we have to know the law of chemical combination. Now we have some laws that govern chemical combination. You see, these are the basic foundation of chemistry that what you must not miss. You must not miss them. So this law of chemical combination, in other words, they are called chemical laws. So what are those chemical laws? There are 4 in numbers, but in this video we are studying 3. 3 are most important for us to study in this level. So the first one we have is the law of conservation of matter. The second one is the law of definite proportion, and the third one is what? Law of multiple proportion. We are going to be studying that in this video. Also, we also learn the Gay-Lussacs Law, very important. So we learn Gay-Lussacs Law, and also we will relate it to chemical equations. And also we are going to learn Avogadros Law. So all these are fundamental laws that are very important for us to learn. Okay, the next one, we learn about chemical symbols. We'll revise the chemical symbols of elements that we've learned previously. Also, we'll talk about what chemical formula. Are you there? You are going to know about what formulae. You see formulae in chemistry. When you hear formulae in chemistry, we have 2. Remember, formula is plural. We have 2. We have empirical formula. This we are going to learn, and we also have what? Molecular formula. Are you there? You are going to learn the 2. And also you are going to learn what balancing of chemical equations. See under these chemical equations, you know about equation. Okay, let me say I have hydrogen plus oxygen gives water, for example. So this is hydrogen, this is oxygen, and this is water. So you are going to learn how to balance this type of equation. So you are going to learn a lot of them and so on like that. So next, we have relative atomic mass. You are going to learn the concept. This one has an acronym RAM. You are going to learn the concept of relative atomic mass. Then after that, we move to mole concepts. Okay, mole concepts is actually where the bulk of the calculation start from. You see, the idea on this will be used under what? Under mole concepts. Okay, let me just briefly tell you what we call mole. Remember that whenever we are talking about dozen, we mean 10 12. Dozen is 12 pieces. Are you there? Good. So mole is also a particular unit that chemistry use, that 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power of 23 particles. Are you there? If I say give me 1 dozen of dynamic, what does it mean? Give me 12 pieces of dynamic. Good. So if I say give me 1 mole of a substance, give me 6.02 times 10 raised to the power of 23 particle of that substance. That's what it means. Also, you learn about stoichiometry. You see, everything you studied from A to Z, everything will be applied under stoichiometry. You see, under stoichiometry, that's where you have reactants and products, and you are going to be calculating, you are going to be doing their quantitative relationship. That is, the certain number of moles or mass of the reactant to give certain number of mole or mass of the product. Are you there? So you'll be dealing with what calculations that govern reactants and products. Are you there? Everything you're going to learn under what? Under stoichiometry. So let's move to the real lesson.